So I just wanted to show you this foldable desk. I actually have 3 different foldable desks. Don't ask me why. And I like this one, but there are some things I definitely do not like about it and why this wouldn't be my first choice for me, but for some people it might be. So let's get into it. First off, benefits. I just love how it looks. I got the white and the light top just because I have a lot of white in my space, and then it folds up, and I'll show you all of that. Let's talk about the negatives. It requires assembly. This whole frame part, when you receive it, is not assembled, and same with these little plastic things you need to screw in. You do have to assemble that as well. I have a foldable desk that is the same mechanics as this, and it came straight out of the box assembled, and the price difference, I don't think there is a price difference. So for me, I hate assembling things, and that's a negative about this one. But let me show you how easy it is to fold up and to store away. So really quickly, another positive about this is how much surface area you get. This is a large surface area, so you could even fit monitors, possibly 2 monitors. That might be pushing it, but this is the MacBook Pro. It's pretty big, and there's ample space. I'm going to show you what it looks like assembled from the front. And then basically there's these 2 plastic things that you do have to assemble when you get it, but once it's assembled, it's easy. So you just pop the 2 legs and fold it, and that's it. And then there's this hinge mechanism that this just folds down, and now you could easily store this away. And this is how thick it is. It could probably fit under your bed or behind your desk or something like that. So that is a good feature, and it's super easy to put back together. So that is another advantage. I guess my biggest thing is I don't like that you have to assemble it. Here is a close-up of what the fake wood grain of this color looks like. And this is sturdy white metal. Overall, for the price, I think it is a great product to check out.